back through the 70s. I'm fine with it now. They're going to do on a prayer hard and ready to get it 20 pounds out of bed. Good 20. I'm fine with it high and long chest. Been now. They're going to do 20 pounds out of bed. They're going to do 10 pounds out of bed. Good 10. Been now. They're going to do 10. They're going to be 10 bed. Been now. They're going to do 10 pounds out of bed. I am 10 pounds out of bed. Now they're going to do 3 pounds out of bed. 4 pounds out of bed. I am 3 pounds out of bed. They're going to do 4 pounds out of bed. 40 bed. 5 pounds out of bed. 5 bed. I am 4 pounds and 5 pounds and 5 pounds and out of bed. Buggy time back in the 70s. 5. You get 5 pounds and out of bed. I am 4 pounds out of bed. Now they're going to do 5 pounds and out of bed. This one 6. I am 5 pounds out. 6 pounds you bounce out. I am 6 pounds out of bed. Now they're going to do 5,500. I am 5 pounds another 5,500. 6 pounds another bed. I am 55 pounds out of bed. Now the internet going to be 6 pounds another donut. I am 5,500. 6 pounds another bed. I am 6 pounds out of now 5,500. Now they're going to do 6 pounds another. Here we go. Hold on. I am 5,500. Now they're going to do 6 pounds another. Anybody else? I am 5,500. They're going to be 6,000. Sold $5,500, sold $55.
Origin 4-speed transmission, 2-tone interior, custom wheels and tires, a 69 Beetle at no reserve.
Beetle time, here we go down. I'd get a minute of a red wine. I'd get a minute of a minute, get a minute of 15, get a minute of a 10, get a minute of 5 pounds to the bed. 6 pounds head, hit 5, 6 pounds to bed. I'd get a minute of a 6 pounds to bed. Now 7, hit 7 to bed. I'd get a minute of a 8 down weight. I'd get a minute of a 7 here. I'd get a 6 higher, 7 to bed. Hit a minute, 7 pounds to the bed. I'd get a 6 on line, 7 to bed. I'd get a 8 pounds head, 8 pounds to the bed. I'd get a minute of a 7 on 8 bed. I'd get a minute of a 70 bid 9 pounds to the bed. And I'd get a loud clear, get a minute, not get a minute of a Russell back in, get a minute of a 9 pounds to the bed. 8's the bed, I'd get a minute of a 9, get a minute of a 9 pounds head. And 9, get a minute of a 9, get a minute of 85 Russ, 85 under the bed, 8,500 down, I'd get a minute of a 5, hit 5, get a minute of a 5, get a 8,000 to the bed, 8,500 now, 85, get a minute of a 5, hit bid, I'd get a minute of a 5, last call, 8,500, hit 500 down, I'd get a minute of a 5, period I have. Sold 8,000, sold $8,000 to the internet.
At no reserve, 3 Volkswagen Type 2 Transporter Microbus with a pop-out side windows, safari-style windshield, has 2-tone paint, matching interior, 1300cc engine, 4-speed manual, sliding rack top, a 63 Volkswagen bus.
$80,000 hit. You better give 80 bid. You better give 80 here. You better give 25 bid. You better give 30, 30, 40. I have 35, 40. I have 35 bid. You better give 40 bid. You better give 40. You better give 40. You better give 35 and now 40. I have 35 bid. You better give 40 bid. You better give 40. You better give 40. You better give 5 bid. You better give 45. I have 45 and now 50 bid. You better give 50. You better give 50. You better give 50 bid. You better give 55. I have 50 bid. You better give 55. I have 55 bid. You better give 60. I have 55 bid. You better give 60,000. You better give 60 bid. You better get 55, 60. I have 55 bid. You better get 60,000. You better get 60. 55 is the bid. $55,000 bid. 57,000. Anybody? I have 55 bid. You better get 57. I have 55,000. You better get 57,000. You better get 7. Roll away. I have 55,000. You better get $56,000. Anybody else? Close the bid at $55,000. Close the bid, and the bid goes on.
Lot 79 has original paint, has a new engine, rebuilt brakes, new master cylinder, wheel cylinders, lines, hoses, hardware, and fuel system. Comes with the receipts and the original window sticker.
15,000. You better get 2, 3, 4, 4,000, 5,000. You better get 5. At 5,000, you better get 4 bid. You better get 5 here. 4,500. Now 5. 5,000. You better get 5 bid. You better get 5 here. What? Well, I have 45. So you want to add 250 to that? Be 4750. Now $5,000. 47 and a half bid. You better get 5,000. I have 47 and a half bid. You better get 5,000. You better get 5 bid. You better get $5,000 on a Beetle. It don't matter. 47 and a half. $5,000. Everybody else? $5,000 is the bid. I got you out of the trick box there, Russell. I got 5,000. Okay. I'm going to close the bid at $5,000. Close the bid, and the bid goes on.
Lot in Pentagon, a recent restoration and a rare color combination, fresh paint, upgraded 1500cc engine, has a new sliding sunroof, safari windows throughout, a 61 Volkswagen.
The color combo, I'd get a minute of a 80,000 of it, I'd get a minute of a 50, 15,000, and I'd get a 20,000, 20, it should, I'd get a minute of 20, I'd get a minute of 25, I'd get a minute of 5, 30, 35 bid, and get 5 here, 5, now 5, get a minute of 40, 40,000, 40, now 5, 40's a bid, 45 bid, 40 to 5, 5, get a minute of 45 here, 40 to 5, hit 5, get a minute of 45, I'd get a minute of about 45,000 to bid. Anybody get 42,000? 40 bid. I'd get a bit of a 2 here. I'd get a bit of a 40 bid. I'd get a bit of money. Get a bit of 42,000 to bid. 42, 42, 45, 5, 45. 45 bid, I'd get a bit of bid, 5, get a bit of 5, 45, 47 a bid, 45, 47, internet's out, 45, 7 a bid, 45, 47, hit 5 here, 7 a bid, I'd get a bit of 45, 46, 47 a bid, and I'd get a bit of a 7, hit 7 a bid, I'd get a bit of 47 pound here, 46 bid, 47 pound, hands high, hit 6 here, hold on, get a bit of 47,000, hit 46 here, I'd get a bit of 7 a bid, I'd get a bit of that, 46 here, 47 a bid, 46 out, 47, last call, 46 bid, and it said 47,000 a bid, 46 7, 47, I know, I'd get a bit of a 7 bid, I'd get a bit of 47 pound here, 9 half, 47 a bid, 46 here, 47,000. Close it, man, 46, close it, 46, it'll be over 50,000 to buy.
Aircraft hangar in Arizona, in California, where it was used to transport luggage and parts on the airfield, has a preservation restoration to maintain the look it was founded. It's a nice paint job, 1600cc, three-way flyer, 4-speed. Got 2 rifle racks in the back, a 74 Volkswagen thing, selling at no reserve.
That thing on up here, I'd get a bit of a cut of a town, I'd get a bit of a 25 bid, I'd get a bit of a 25, 20 here, 10,000, hit a bit of $10,000 on it, 10 bid, hit a bit of a 10, 5,000, 7 a bid, 5, 7, 10, down 10, 10, I'd get a bit of a 10, 12, 12 here, 15, 15, 15 bid, get a bit of 15 pound, 17, I'd get a bit of a 20, hit 20, down 2, hit 2, I'd get a bit of 2, I'd get a bit of a 5 down 5, I'd get a bit of 7 here, I'd get a bit of a 7 a bid, and I'd get a bit of a 7, I'd get a bit of a 7 a bid, hit 5 here, 7 a bid, hit 7 down, I'd get a bit of a 27, 30,000 a bid, I'd get a bit of a 30,000, hit 30, get a bit of a 30 bid, I'd get a bit of a 7 a bid, I'd get a bid, you would get 28 there, hit 27 right bid, right down the aisle there, 20 that side, I'd get a 7 a bid, 20,000 a bid, hit 27, 8 now, hit here, I'd get a bit of a 7 bid, I'd get a bit of a hold on, I'd get a bit of a 28,000, hit 7 a bid, I'd get a bit of a 20,000 a bid, sold $27,000, Robin.
Lot 917 replica. It's built in the style of a Porsche 917 race car. It's built on a Volkswagen Beetles chassis. Titled as a 1984 Porsche with a state-assigned VIN, 1600cc engine, 3-speed auto-stick transmission. This is one of very few remaining laser cars that are still drivable today, and it sells at no reserve.
No reserve. Somebody get 20,000. Anybody get 20 bid. Anybody get 20. Anybody get 15. 15,000. Anybody get 15 bid. Somebody get $10,000 for it. 10,000. Anybody get 10 bid. Anybody get 10. Anybody get 5, 6, 7, 7,000. Anybody get 6, 7, 8. 8,000. Anybody get 9,000. Anybody get 9 bid. Anybody get 8, 9, 10,000. 11. 11,000. Anybody get 11 bid. 11,000. Anybody get 10, 11. 11,000. Anybody get 12,000. Anybody get 11, 12, 13. 13,000. Anybody get 13. Anybody get 13. Anybody get 14. Anybody get 15. 15,000. Now anybody get 15, 16, 17. And 17,000. 18,000. Anybody give 18. 18,000. Anybody give 18. Anybody give 18. Anybody give 18. Now 20. 18, 19, 20. 19 bid. Anybody get 20 bid. Anybody get 20. Anybody get 20. Anybody get 20. And 21 bid. Anybody get 1. Anybody get 1. Anybody get 20 bid 1. I have 20,000. Anybody get $21,000. Anybody else? At 20 bid. Anybody get 21. So $20,000. Frank and Gus on the phone.
At no reserve.